Please open DroidKit and select Device Manager function. Please click Start button. Then connect your device to computer with the USB cable. Please make sure you have launched USB debugging option on your Android device. Please click the call log option. Here you can refresh the interface to load call log, delete the unwanted call log, transfer the call log to the computer or another Android device. Please select the call log you need to transfer, choose the formats and then click Continue button. The data has been transferred successfully now.